So here's how to make Mario in Minecraft. You see that one, like right here. Then we're gonna make that one. I'll make a part 2 while I make Luigi. So here are all the blocks you're gonna need. Green terracotta, red terracotta, and yellow terracotta. And that's all the blocks you really need. So I made 4 blocks like this, with 3 on top. So you're gonna want that. And make and you do that. So here are his legs. Come on, hold on. You're gonna need to build the red part of his overalls up. And you're gonna start here and build like till it at least matches 2 blocks until this leg. Now you're gonna want, this is the first step, you're gonna use your yellow terracotta to make the buttons in his overalls. Now you're just gonna want to put 4 blocks like that. Now you're gonna make the straps for his overalls. Now his one arm is smaller than the other, so you're gonna want to do that. Hold on, did I make the color? Actually, you're supposed to use light green terracotta or lime terracotta. I messed that all up. I thought it was green terracotta, but no, it's just lime. Okay, so now you're gonna do the same thing. So you do that, and you want 3 blocks like that. Now 4 blocks that way. And then just add 1 more block. Now time to make his hand. Got the first hand finished. So unlike the last part, you're gonna wanna do this. So look, that's what you want. And now do the same thing that you did with the other hand. You want those 2 blocks overlapped on one end. And you want his mustache to be like this. Now you're gonna want 2 blocks like that. Actually, we might as well just finish his hair. Okay, so that's his ear. So you do that, and pretty much have to put his eye somewhere. So that's where his eye goes. But wrong color. Now time for his hat. So you start here. Your very own Mario. I'll do a part 2 with Luigi, part 3 on Toad. And if you want, I'll maybe release a larger and even longer tutorial on a second Mario. So that's it. Make sure you comment, you like and subscribe. Actually, I don't know if there'll be comments, but at least like and subscribe. That'll help me out a ton. And